Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure the Gemstone lighting driver in an ELAN system using the Nice configuration software. First, open the Nice configuration software and log into your project like you see here. Next, click on Lighting Controllers, and click Add Lighting Controller. Then click Import since this driver is not in the public ELAN database. Select the Gemstone driver file and import it. Confirm the vendor shows Cindev and verify the version number, then click Install. Remember, you'll need one driver instance per Gemstone lighting device you want to control. Next, open the driver properties and enter the IP address of the Gemstone controller, then click Apply. If the connection is successful, the status indicator will turn green and the response will be 200. You'll also see the current active pattern and its ID. You can also use the Get Info button to manually refresh the driver at any time. Once connected, you'll see new lighting devices appear. Open the main light device and assign it to a room under Location. If you don't assign it to a room, it won't appear in the user interface. You'll also notice several predefined scenes added automatically. These are optional and you can delete any you don't need, but make sure each scene is assigned to a room. Then click Apply. You will be able to adjust the brightness and speed of any of these scenes. If you want to add an additional lighting scene of your own choosing, go ahead and click Lighting Devices, click Add Lighting Device, and install another scene. From here, you'll need to name the scene, set a location, and paste the pattern ID from the documentation. Next, set the brightness you want this scene to be at and the speed at which the light should run at. And that's it. At this point, the driver is installed and functioning in the project. There are also some additional features and settings that you can do, and we will go over those now. If you want to completely adjust or make a custom scene, go ahead and click on Custom Patterns and then copy and paste the example JSON into one of the 5 custom pattern slots. From there, you'll be able to adjust the animation, the brightness, or any of these settings for that specific custom pattern. Go ahead and hit Apply. Now, to trigger this custom pattern, you will do that via event mapping. So if you were to go to Event Map and select an event under Commands, you will now see the ability to select one of those custom patterns. In addition to custom patterns, you could also select one of the existing scenes that you have created as well. In addition to the items that we have already shown you, you can also create for your customer a custom page for the Gemstone lighting. You would do that by selecting Custom Pages under the Lighting tab, adding a new custom page, naming it, then you can go ahead and import the custom page template that we have provided to you in the zip file with the rest of the drivers. Once this is installed, you will notice that there is a pre-built custom page that you can then assign and configure for your customers. Go ahead and click on each one of the controls and select the correct scene that control goes to. In addition, you can also control specific color, lights, color, brightness, and speed of a specific gemstone light. So I will click on the color and I will select the light. I will click on the brightness control and I will select the light, and then I will select the light for the speed control. And that is it. The driver and integration is now complete.